morning, students. How are you all? Today we'll be taking up your chapter 4, that is from the diary of Anne Frank by Anne Frank herself. Okay, Anneliese Mary Frank, who was popularly known as Anne Frank, was born on 12th of June 1929 in Frankfurt, Germany. Okay, she was a German born Jewish diarist. Remember this, students? She was a German born Jewish diarist, and fleeing Nazi persecution of Jews, the family moved to Amsterdam and was later went into hiding for 2 years. Okay, now during this time, students, Anne Frank wrote about her experiences and desires and wishes all into one diary. Okay, so when she was around 15 years of age, the family found and was sent into concentration camps where she died. Okay, so as you recall the Second World War, wherein Germany had marched against France and all the Jews were killed in concentration camps. Okay, she herself died at an age of 16. Now this diary was written when she was of around 13 years of age. Okay, now the diary of a young girl was written at the time of Second World War. Remember this, students? And it describes the pitiable conditions of the Jews as they were the most affected by this war. Okay, so Jews were basically most affected by this war. This is the sad state. Thousands of Jewish students were forced to leave their houses and flee to other countries, and they were supposed to wear a yellow star which distinguished them from others. Okay, so which actually distinguished Jews from Christians, the yellow star. Remember this. During this war, they were dragged out of their homes and were sent to concentration camps where they ultimately were killed. That's the sad state of affair. Okay, remember this, students. This is something very sad. Many of the Jews went into hiding to escape the clutches of the Germans, and this Frank family, that is Anne Frank family, was also one of those few who went into hiding for secret annex. Okay. The entities of the sounds of guns, sirens and airplanes continue to create an image of the war scene in front of the reader's eyes. Okay, students, remember. Thus the main theme of the novel is the horror of war faced by the Jews at that time. That's the main theme, and Frank family was one of it. Now this chapter is a part of Anne Frank's diary. Here she tells us about the early days of her life. Okay, she says that she decided to start writing a diary because she did not have a friend at all. Okay, her family had to hide because they were Jews. Okay, she had a sister 3 years older to her. Okay, her name was Margaret. Okay, she lived in Frankfurt until she was 4, and then she had to move to Amsterdam in order to hide themselves. Okay, her father immigrated to Holland in 1933. She recalls and jots down in her diary. Okay, Anne Frank was sent to the Montessori school and stayed there until she was 6 years of age. Okay, students, remember this. Then Anne Frank started going to school in first form, that is in first grade. Okay, when Anne was in 6th standard, her teacher was Mrs. Curpius, the headmistress. That is, Mrs. Curpius was the principal of that school. Now both had great love for each other. Okay, Anne Frank had no one in whom she could confide the feelings of her heart. So it was with Mrs. Curpius that she told everything. Okay, she shared everything. Okay, so she decided to make her diary her friend. Later, when she grew all alone, she wrote all her feelings in the diary. Okay, and that diary was known as Kitty. Okay. Now, the writer says, Anne writes that on Saturday 20th June 1942, Anne Frank had her first entry in the diary. Okay, so she made her first entry in the diary, and that entry was in the form of letter and was addressed to her diary, namely Kitty. Okay, Anne describes her experiences with her mathematics teacher, Mr. Keesing. Okay, remember this. Anne writes that one day Mr. Keesing punished her for talking in the class. Okay, so she liked to talk, she liked to make friends, and Mr. Keesing could not take, and he punished her. Now, he gave her an extra homework in the form of punishment. Okay, so Mr. Keesing asked Anne to write an essay on a chatterbox. Okay, so Anne wrote it, but she again talked in the class. Okay, now Mr. Keesing asked her to write an essay on incorrigible chatterbox, which means a chatterbox, one who talks and cannot be corrected further. Okay, Mr. Keesing liked the essays written by Anne Frank. Okay, so as he read, he thought perhaps she is one talented girl, and he started to gradually like the essays written by Anne. Okay, but Anne could not give up the habit of talking in the class. She still talked and she liked to make friends. Okay, so as a punishment, Mr. Keesing asked her to write an essay on an unusual title, that was "Quack Quack Quack, said Mrs. Chatterbox." Okay, so she was given to write an essay on "Quack Quack Quack, said Mistress Chatterbox." Who? Anne. Okay, Anne wrote this essay in the form of a poem. Now she wrote this in the form of poetry. Okay, so then she put her soul into it, and she wrote something very deep, and she said it was about a mother duck and a father swan. Okay, this very poetry was about a mother duck and father swan, and the father bit the 3 ducklings to death because they quacked too much. Okay, so the father ultimately killed the 3 ducklings because they talked too much. Now this drew the attention of Mr. Keesing, and he realized his mistake. Okay, he experienced that it was a satire on him. Okay, but he took the joke in the right way. He realized his mistake, and he read the poem to Anne's class and other classes also. Okay, so he was so moved that he read the poetry in the class and in other classes too. Okay, and he allowed Anne to talk in the class and never again gave her the extra homework. Okay, so the sad part is Anne Frank could die at an age of 16, and there are no memories of her. She, despite Mr. Keesing recognizing that she was a great author, she had something in writing and she did write greatly, she could not live long. Okay, so this is one lesson I'd ask you to give it a read, and just have a kind of look at it and feel what it has to say. Okay, so this was it, students. I'll be sharing with you the notes and question answers in Marisol's class. Till then, take care.